Yo, what's up everybody? This is Comfort in the building. So today we just received our itel S17. So before I open, guys, let me let you know that it is now available at online Kilimo shop. You can go check it out. But now let's unbox it together, guys. So I'll open the phone now. Let's see what's inside. Oh, this is itel S17. Everybody have been talking about it, so let's now talk about it together, guys. I'm going to open. So guys, as we are opening, let's see what is inside. Oh my god, guys. Oh, look at this. So now we are going into checking the accessories of S17 itel S17, guys. So here we have the charger adapter. It comes with the charger adapter, as you can see. We have beautiful earphones, guys. That's so beautiful. Then we go to the charger itself. This is fast charging cable, about 1 meter. Then we come here, they give you a free phone case, guys, and it's amazing. Even the touch is really good. And here we have a SIM card pin. You have to use this to remove your pin, to remove your SIM card, or to put it back. So you have to use this. It comes with the box, guys. So as you can see, that's all what's in here. It's amazing. Everything is in set. So get ready to get your itel S17, and you get all these accessories and plus a free case. So as you can see, our itel S17 is a sky blue. Isn't this amazing, guys? This color is really amazing. So let's start the phone and see what it has to show us, guys. I'm going to switch it on. Okay, as it starts, I'm so sure that this phone is one of the first phones to start. It only take maybe 1 second to open, 1 second to 2 seconds. So be patient, guys. There we go. So it's on now. Let's go. So while we're waiting for it to be on, as you can see, this phone has a really large screen, and it's really good. You can handle it with your hand. It's flexible. Even the outside, it's really nice, guys. It's really nice. I love it. You can handle it like this. Imagine. Hello. So it's amazing. So now it is started. So what do? Get started. Just a sec, which means 1 second. Wait for it. Okay. We skip. Set up offline because this is not really much of a big deal, guys. Just a second again. Next. Whoa, did you see that touch? So guys, they say when they advertise this phone, it says it captures your smile. So now we need to check if it does capture your smile, guys. So let's go check it out. So I'm going to open my camera. As you already opened, then I'm going to try to take a selfie. So let me see if it captures my smile. Let's go. It does, guys. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my god. Look at this. I just smile at the camera. Look at this. It's just a smile, guys. Look at this. So guys, before I finish this video, let me give you the last tip you need to know, guys. I got this phone from Kilimo online app. It's just, you just need your phone and have a Kilimo online app. Even in your computer you can get Kilimo online app. I bought this phone at a cost effective. It was very affordable. This phone is the same price with S16, but this is S17, guys, which means it has an upgrade. It's good phone, good everlasting battery, and good for taking pictures. As you can see, the lenses, it's really good for taking pictures. So guys, rush to Kilimo app online, go order your phone and you get a free gift and you'll never regret this. I got mine. It's get delivered within a time limited. I expected it, so you also don't need to regret this. Don't say I didn't tell you, guys. Don't say I didn't give you this tip. Kilimo is the deal. S7 itel is the deal. Everybody's talking about it. Do not let everybody talk about it while you don't know anything about it. I have tuned you, I have tipped you. Now it's up to you. You're gonna get it or you're gonna be left out. So let's go get it. Bye. See you guys. Hope you enjoy this.